Hi guys, welcome back to ReviewTuber. This is Adisha. So today's video is gonna be a nice sit and chat video where I'm gonna show you all the ethnic jewelry collection that I have. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe right now and then continue watching the video. Okay, so when we talk about ethnic jewelry, I'm not much into jewelry actually, but more earrings. And you know, when we buy new kurti or outfits, especially for festive wear, it's mandatory to get at least matching earrings with them because I love the way it just changes the game of the whole outfit or the whole look of the day, and it adds to the value of that whole outfit. So I've got different earrings to show you today. Many of them are from the local stores and some of them would be from online shopping. Whenever I show you the earring, I'll tell you where I got it from, and I'll also be listing the price along with that earring somewhere in the video. So let's get started. Okay, so starting with the silver oxidized jewelry, which is everyone's favorite, and these are the first set of earrings that I want to show you. If you can see nicely, they have mirrors all over them, and these are my favorite. They look amazing and super fine if you carry them, especially with white colored kurtis like the one I'm wearing right now. If you're wearing even simple plain kurtis like plain white kurtis, they'll look super amazing and they are quite in trend. Also available online. I just saw them recently. I think the page was everstylish.com. So yeah, these are the first set of earrings. I got them from a famous market in Bombay called Colaba Causeway, so you can definitely check these earrings out. Okay, so talking about oxidized jewelry, the next earrings I want to show you are these big jhumka kind of earrings. Like the layered earrings are my favorite. They have specially these colored stones into them and they are quite big. Some people might find them a little heavy, but they are not that heavy. You can carry them for around 2 to 3 hours if you are wearing them for an occasion. I think ऐसे वाले layered earrings सबके पास होने चाहिए because you know they just look so good with anything that you wear. Even if you're wearing simple anything as outfit, they'll just look amazing and आपको गले में कुछ भी पहनने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. They're just quite sufficient to give you enough oomph. I have one more and they are my absolute favorite. I got them recently and this is how they look. Oh my god, they just look stunning. And you know, whenever I wear this, I get so many compliments and so many people just ask me, where did you get these earrings from? And let me tell you, I got them from Meesho. So Meesho has this very nice collection of jewelry on their site. You can definitely check them out. Right now I think the MRP is more than 170 rupees, but as a sign up discount I just got a little discount and I got these earrings for 130. I remember that, really nice. And if you have, you know, multicolored kurti or the multicolored outfit that you are going to pair these earrings with, you are going to win a lot of compliments, trust me. Talking about the multicolored earrings, I have these multicolored jhumkas from my collection and they are so beautiful for their price. I just got them for around 120 rupees from a local store and this is how they look. I especially like these kind of layered earrings because they just hang into layer and they just give a quite nice look overall on your face when you're, especially when you're wearing makeup, and they just look super awesome as festive wear. And I think festive wear means wearing these kind of layered earrings. Okay, so whenever we talk about such multicolored earrings, I think everyone must own at least a set of multicolored earrings because they just go with everything you wear. Even if you're wearing a single colored kurti or outfit or multicolored, they just go fine with everything. Okay, so next in gold are these earrings and they have this green color, light green color going on in the entire earring and pearls in the bottom. I just love wearing these earrings. They are quite, you know, attention seeking big giant earrings and they look so good on your face. Overall, when you wear makeup, they look even finer. They're especially good for wedding season or festive wear. They're a little heavy and I got them from a local store for around 180 rupees. So the next pair I've got to show you are simple yet elegant set of earrings, and these are these earrings that I'm talking about. So you can see these have these long golden strands and a big pearl going on at the end. So these are the type of earrings you need when you don't want big giant earrings going on your face and you want something simple yet elegant. So this is the right choice. You should be having at least a pair of these kind of earrings also. And you know, I just wear them with western wear also. They just look super fine. So simple and elegant as I mentioned them to be. This is how they look. And you won't believe I just got them for ₹50 from a local store. I just wish that I could have got at least a pair extra such earrings when they are a steal deal. You know, ₹50 for these kind of earrings is not a deal you find every time. And what happens with these type of cheap earrings is when you get something in gold or silver on them, they just turn black very soon. They just get oxidized very soon. But they lasted me quite a long time. Like I bought these around 1 year ago and I still love wearing them. They have not gone out of trend and I still wear them when I want something light and beautiful at the same time. Next up, I'm gonna show you two more set of earrings from my collection very quickly. These are the earrings that I want to talk about, and these are the simple, quite bright gold colored earrings which will look just good on any kurti or a dress that you have and should be having gold work all over it. They'll just add to the value of the outfit so nicely. And the next pair of earrings are these, जहाँ पे I've got this mauve colored diamond in between and the mauve colored detailing here and some strands hanging out loose here. So let's end the dangler collection here. Now, next I'm going to talk about the drop earrings, which are as beautiful as the dangler collection that I've just shown you. First earrings I've got to show you are these green colored earrings. You can see they are pearls in the beginning and green colored stones the second, and the other layers are again the gold design and some white diamonds in between. So they're not proper diamonds, but you know, those plasticky diamonds, if you know what I mean. But they just look super amazing. I may attach a picture. I matched them up with one of my favorite kurtis and it just looked amazing. And this is how they look. These are the earrings which costed me around, I think, ₹180 when I bought them. Looking so beautiful, right? So have these pearls all over them and a teal colored stone in between. Okay, so the next earrings I want to talk about are again white. So it has this flower, you know, in between, white colored flower, and this very nice white and gold detailing going on around the earring. And this is how they look once you wear them. The next set of earrings are these Kundan earrings. They costed me around ₹650 and I've got them from a local store. So this is how they look, and I don't mind how they look. They are simple yet elegant, but they are a little heavy. I just avoid wearing them once I know I will be having to wear them for the entire day. So yeah, these are the earrings that I was talking about. So the next set of drop earrings is here, and this is again kind of rose gold in color and multicolored stones all over. So this is how they look. So you have to agree that drop earrings are as beautiful as the dangler earrings, and they are also a good choice for festive or occasional wear, just as the dangler earrings are. These are the next set of earrings that I'll be talking about, and these have these gray colored stones as well as the gold colored stones around. So they'll just look good on you know, silver colored or a gold colored work going on your outfit. So here I am wearing these earrings, and these are the drop earrings from Voila. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I got it from Myntra for around ₹300. So yes, they might seem a little costly, but they look just amazing if you pair it up with any type of kurti. This is how they look. If you are liking the video so far, give me a quick like and a comment which earrings are you loving so far. Okay, so hoops are quite in trend, and marking the end of the entire collection are these lovely gold hoops that I have got. And these are again for around 120 rupees, not more than that, from a local store. And the quality of having set of hoops in your collection is just that you will never go wrong with a pair of hoops. They are something that will complement every kind of outfit, and so one must own all types of hoops, and they are not even costly. I also have this set of hoops where we have these pearls going on zigzag all around the hoop, and they also look super amazing with all type of dresses or Indian wear or Western wear. And yeah, so this was all about my collection. Do let me know how do you like my collection, which one are your favorite, and whether I should do more of such collection showing videos. And next video want to see on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, do subscribe to my channel. This is free for you and motivation for me. And here's me signing off.